Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Law Wisdom. In today's video, we are going to talk about what are the laws relating to pandemic. But before starting this video, we must know what is pandemic. So, pandemic is an outbreak of a disease that occurs over a wide geographic area and affect an exceptionally high proportion of the population. Means a disease that has spread over a large area, that is entire country or continent or whole world, and affecting large number of people like COVID-19, plague, yellow fever, H1N1 that is swine flu etc. सो ऐसे डिसीज़ का स्प्रेड कंट्रोल करने के लिए आईपीसी के अंडर कुछ प्रोविजंस बनाए गए हैं. तो आइए इन सेक्शंस को हम वन बाय वन समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो सबसे पहले आता है सेक्शन 188 ऑफ आईपीसी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सेक्शन, if an order is promulgated by public servant who is lawfully empowered to promulgate such order and he directed to abstain from a certain act, but if any person knowingly disobeys the order and thereby cause or tend to cause danger to human life, health, safety, or tend to cause riots and affray, then that person is punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend up to 6 months or a fine which may extend up to 1000 or with both. Say for example, पीएम ने लॉकडाउन अनाउंस कर दिया और ये कह दिया कि कोई भी व्यक्ति घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकता. अब अगर ये जानते हुए भी कोई बाहर निकला तो उस पर ये सेक्शन 188 लागू हो जाएगा, बिकॉज ही नोइंगली डिसओबेज द ऑर्डर प्रोमुलगेटेड बाय पब्लिक सर्वेंट, दैट इज पीएम इन दिस केस. देन आता है सेक्शन 269 ऑफ आईपीसी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सेक्शन, द पर्सन हु इज unlawfully or negligently does any act which he knows that it is likely to spread the infection of any dangerous disease, then that person shall be punishable with imprisonment for the term up to 6 months or with fine or with both. Next section is section 270. According to this section, whoever malignantly does any act which is likely to spread the infection of any disease dangerous to human life. मैलिग्नेंटली मीन्स जानबूझकर कोई डिसीज स्प्रेड कर रहा है, तो उस केस में उस पर्सन को 2 साल तक की जेल हो सकती है या फिर उसको फाइन भरना पड़ेगा या फिर वो दोनों के लिए भी लायबल हो सकता है. देन नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज सेक्शन 271, डिसओबेडेंस ऑफ क्वारंटाइन रूल. So in this section, whoever knowingly disobeys any rule made by Government of India shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months or fine or with both. Quarantine means basically a separation of a person. Such person might not be sick, but he may have been exposed to communal diseases. So that's all for this video guys. Hope you like this video. If yes, then give a thumbs up, comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.